Alright everybody, thank you so much for all of your hard work. This is the AnyCubic, I'm probably going to say it wrong, Chiron 3D printer that I was raising money for from the Kickstarter. Today I'm just going to be doing a quick unboxing video. Sorry if you can't hear me. My audio equipment's not quite set up just yet. Yeah, I just want to show you guys what all of your donations have done and what I was raising the money for. This is the first 3D printer that I've ever bought and put together, so this will probably be a pretty long video, but I did want to share it with you guys since it is because of your efforts that I even have it in the first place. So stick with me and we will get this set up. So this did come in two separate shipments. The first shipment that arrived was the filament. Oh my god. That's my lighting. It's not very stable. Hopefully that won't happen many times. Okay. Lighting malfunction. We're just not even going to deal with it. But anyways, back to it. So yes, as I was saying, this is the one of two shipments I got. The first one was the filament. It arrived several days before this one. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Everything is well packaged. It doesn't look like immediately that there's any anything damaged. So yeah, everything so far is going really well. I'm really happy with it so far. Get this out, set it to the side. Things are taped down. But yeah, so guys, this is really big. I almost don't even know what to do. But we're gonna try and find the manual, and I will be back. So this is what we have so far. Took me a while to realize the manual's in this, but it did come with actually a third filament, so I'm really excited about that. But this is the bed. This is the Z-axis, I believe, or the Y-axis, and this is the base. So I will quickly read over the guide, and then I will set it up. So, this is the finished project. There is still a little bit that I gotta do. I gotta put the filament through the extruder, but outside of that, everything is complete. So, thank you guys once again for your generous donations. Can't wait to get started with this, and I'm hoping to have something for you guys in the near future now that I have this, and now the real fun can commence. Thank you guys again. If you want to stay up to date, please make sure to subscribe on the website, or if you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I also upload videos there as well as other things about my personal transition. But I'll probably also be posting this video over there, so you guys can see it there. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. My card died a few times, and my camera died a few times, and my card got full a few times. It was an interesting build. There was a lot of trial and error, but it was fun. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you guys later.